An innovation from Zip Water is HydroTap Clean. HydroTap Clean is a naturally produced cleaning product that's gentle on surfaces and pH neutral. HydroTap Clean has been specially designed for HydroTap chilled and sparkling water paths. HydroTap Clean is to be used during the commissioning process of your HydroTap, which is the final step in installation. Almost all the process is automated so that every HydroTap can be commissioned to the same standard. However, we've introduced a few steps, so please watch this video closely to see what's new. The HydroTap has been designed to be used frequently and straight after use. Do not start the commissioning stage if you're not planning on using the HydroTap for a few weeks or months. Wait to commission the HydroTap just before you need to use it. The first screen on the LCD also reminds you of this. From the commissioning screen, press the arrow. On the next screen, the date and time can be adjusted to suit your time zone. Touch the screen on the date or time to change it. The time can also be changed to 24-hour time. The next screen asks you to select the Drain Away option. This simply means if your tap or faucet is installed to dispense into a sink or the specially designed Zip font. If you select Sink Container, the flushing process from the tap will be automatic. If you select Font, you'll need to use the tap or faucet to dispense water during the commissioning process. Next, the internal filter needs to be flushed. Using a bucket, place the filter flush hose in the bucket and open the stopcock. Press the play button and the filter flush process will start. This process is timed to take 2 minutes. If you need to pause the filter flush, press the pause button on the LCD. When you're ready to resume the filter flush, press the play button. Once the filter flush has stopped, turn the stopcock off and give it a shake. Press the arrow button to go to the next screen. Put the flush hose back in the filter compartment and close the filter door. Next, we need to prime the HydroTap system. This means that all the water paths inside the HydroTap will have water pass through them for the first time. Please make sure the CO2 bottle regulator is turned off or disconnected from the HydroTap before you start this process. Press Yes once you've confirmed this. Press the play button to start the system priming. Water may dispense from the tap or faucet during this process. Once complete, we need to prepare for the HydroTap Clean process. You'll need a microfiber cloth, HydroTap Clean adapter, and a HydroTap Clean can. Both the adapter and HydroTap Clean can are supplied with the HydroTap Command Center. First, fit the cloth underneath the internal filter. This is to catch any water that may spill in the HydroTap when you remove the filter. Next, remove the filter, and once removed, refit the dust cap of the filter to keep the filter protected. The adapter must be fitted to the internal filter head first. This adapter will fit in and turn a quarter turn before it's secured in place. Make sure the filter flush hose is off. Next, remove the green lid from the HydroTap Clean can. The can is designed to screw into the bottom of the adapter. Gently fit the can underneath the adapter and tighten. Press the next arrow, and the next screen wants you to confirm you've fitted the HydroTap Clean can and you're ready to start the commissioning process. Next, the HydroTap will need to calibrate. Press the play symbol to start the process. At the same time the boiling water tank is calibrating, the HydroTap Clean process will also occur. When you press the play symbol, you'll see the boiling tank commissioning screen. At the bottom of the screen, there's an arrow button to take you to the chilled cleaning screen. This will show you a picture of the tank and the solenoids inside the HydroTap. This will open and close during the process. Both the boiling calibration and HydroTap Clean processes are automated and take about 10 minutes to complete. Once the HydroTap Clean process is complete, the chilled and sparkling water tanks will flush out the cleaning solution. Once the flush has been completed, the HydroTap will ask you to remove the HydroTap Clean can and adapter. Remove them both separately, can first, then adapter. Both these can be put into recycling. Next, remove the dust cap from the filter and reinstall the filter to the filter head. Mop up any spilt water with the cloth and remove the cloth. Once the boiling calibration is finished, a tank flush will need to be performed. This will happen automatically unless the boiling water temperature is over 50 degrees Celsius or you selected font at the beginning of the commissioning process. Press the play button to start. Once the boiling water temperature is below 50 degrees Celsius, the tank flush will become automatic. Once complete, the screen will ask you to connect and turn on the CO2 bottle. If you have a preset regulator, turn the regulator fully on. If you need to set the pressure of the CO2, set it to 300 kPa or 43 psi. Once connected, press the play button to start the CO2 purge, which will take 30 seconds. Once completed, the HydroTap will start to operate. The LCD screen will ask you to confirm if the booster's been installed or not. Press the arrow to return to the home screen. You can register your HydroTap via a QR code. To do this, press the menu symbol and then Register Product. When you do this, a QR code will appear and just use your phone or tablet to scan the QR code and register your product. For more help videos or information on your HydroTap G5, please visit zipwater.com.